Oh shoot, I think I forgot my thumbnail.
I was born in the year 1947 in Pennsylvania. I grew to be 6'5" and 197 pounds. I played in the NBA from 1970 to 1980. I was drafted to the Atlanta Hawks in 1970, where I played for 4 years. Then I was transferred over to New Orleans / Utah Jazz, and I played there for 6 years. Then ended my career with 1 year playing for the Boston Celtics. In the NCAA, I averaged a score of 44.5 points per game. In the NBA, I averaged a score of 31.1 points per game. I had 6 games where I scored over 50 points or more, and a record of 68 points in 1 game against the Knicks. On January 5th, 1988, I died of a heart failure at age 40.